Welcome to my relish stories and thanks for joining me here today. December is here and soon this strange year gonna end. But the lessons we learned from this strange year will stay with us forever. As a mother, every day I felt blessed to be with the people I want to be. To do what I love to do. And the most important lesson, that we don't have forever. So it's wise to cherish what the little we have today. And today I have saffron in my kitchen. So I'm making saffron fruit bundle. So let's start. Mix half gram of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Take 175 gram of softened butter in a large bowl. Add 225 grams of castor sugar and cream together. 3 eggs. Make sure that you are using cooled saffron milk, otherwise this will cook the eggs. $300 grams of all-purpose flour. Now 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 200 ml of sour cream. For dry fruits in the cakes, I am using chopped almonds, figs and raisins. You can use any dry fruits you like. Now gently fold into batter. Now transfer the cake batter into a large prepared cake tin. I greased my cake tin with some butter and then coated it with some breadcrumbs. Bake in the middle of preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Or until a needle inserted in the cake comes clean. Let the cake rest in the baking tin for 5 to 10 minutes before removing on a wire rack. For icing, I mixed half cup of icing sugar with 1 tablespoon of water and just mixed it. Make sure the cake is cooled properly before adding the icing. And now the fun part. This silky soft cake is perfect at brunch or any tea time. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my relish stories.